Hello everybody and welcome to another review video. My name is Rolando and today I'll be talking about the new vlogging tripod from Kamisafe. Kamisafe did send me this tripod for a review but are not paying for this review video, so this is not a sponsored video. They just sent me this tripod to make an honest review, and also they have not approved or disapproved what I'm about to say or seen any preview of this video. They are seeing it for the first time just like you. Also, if you're new to the channel or a returning viewer, consider subscribing. First, what do you get on the box? You get a ball-headed tripod, a phone mounting clip, a GoPro tripod mount, a shutter remote, and everything comes inside a soft carrying bag. Okay, let's talk about the quality of this tripod first. It's actually a really well-made tripod. It is made out of plastic and metal like most budget price tripod. It feels sturdy when it's held, and it gives confidence that it will support the weight of a DSLR camera with no problem. It is around 1 feet high when standing on top of a table. The legs are flexible and made out of an inside metal layer covered by a rubber outer layer that helps prevent slips and making it easy to flex and position them as desired, but not losing the support. And also that rubber layer helps you get a good grip. The base of the ball head is made out of hard plastic and the ball head is made out of metal. On the side, we find a thumb screw to adjust the ball head on the desired position. It has a wheel lock mechanism at the bottom of the ball head to adjust the pan position. The ball head is a 1/4 thread with a plastic mount fitted with a rubber layer. I had this tripod for over 2 weeks at the moment of recording this video, and I took it for a real-world test, and here is a clip. Okay, here I got an example of a vlogging setup. I'm using my Canon 80D with the kit lens 18 to 135mm. Also on top I got my Rode video mic to record the audio. With all this weight, this tripod is making a really good job to hold this weight, and also even though the legs are a little bit slim, it makes you feel comfortable because you get a good grip on this tripod. Like any product, there is some pros and cons, and let's talk about them. Let's start with the pros. First comes the price. At $19.99, this is a bargain. This price point is a really competitive price when you got a lot of companies' prices being twice as much for a similar result. The size is also a factor for a lot of people when it comes to traveling and need to carry a tripod around. At only 12 inches, this size is perfect to fit anywhere. It's easy to set up. Just take it out, mount your camera, phone or GoPro using the included mountings, and you are ready to go. The flexibility to having a ball-headed mount and being able to adjust the position when you're shooting pictures or vlogging, and also the legs flexibility to position them in a way that your equipment is always balanced without worrying that it will not support that weight. When grabbing by the legs for a vlogging style shot, you get a better firm grip than if you use a GorillaPod with bigger legs, making it a bit difficult to get a good grip as you need bigger hands. Now let's talk about the cons. I noticed that when I mounted my Canon 80D with the 18 to 135mm lens, the ball head started to slip and lost the grip, leaning slowly forward because the weight of the lens was bringing it down. I had to tie the thumb screw harder to keep it in place, and it worked, but with the type of GoPro thumb screw that it has, it is hard to get a good grip, and it should be a bigger thumb screw like the one that the GorillaPod has, or a butterfly type of screw, so this way you don't have to break your fingers. Now I only encountered this problem with my Canon 80D as this camera is a little bit heavy, but it should work fine with a smaller camera like the Canon M50, a smartphone or a GoPro, as they don't weigh as much. The wheel lock mechanism that it uses to pan the camera is not reliable, as it is an actual screw that holds the ball head in place and not an actual mechanism. So if you lose this wheel lock to take a panoramic shot or just to change the camera angle, it will make the ball head loose, making it unsteady for moving shots. The phone clip is the same one as the one on my previous review on the Kamisafe flexible tripod. You can hit the card on the top right corner of the screen or go to the description below if you want to see that video. And it's not the best clip to trust a phone, as the rubber grips might not grab the phone completely, and there are many other phone clips that do a better job at this. The shutter remote is the same one included with the Kamisafe flexible tripod and has the same issues controlling other things on the phone when the camera app is not open. And if you want more information about the issues that happens with the shutter remote, you can go check my other video out. In conclusion, Kamisafe is doing a really good job improving their build quality, but like many other products, they have to cut some corners to be able to maintain a competitive budget price point. Here are some things that they need to improve on. A better way to tighten the ball head by changing the screw on the side. The pan wheel lock mechanism needs to be redesigned because it just doesn't work for that purpose. Also, a better phone clip, and change the way the shutter remote works, as it should only work when using the camera app and not controlling anything else on the phone. Who will I recommend this tripod to? Well, if you're a casual blogger and need a good tripod for run and gun shots and you're going to use a lightweight camera, your phone, or a GoPro, this will work fine for you. But if you are an everyday blogger and need to rely on a heavy DSLR every day, or going to do some stream videos with a GoPro, I will look into something more reliable and most likely more expensive, in which you know it will avoid you from having an unwanted accident. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Everything that I show on this video is linked in the description below. And if you're new to the channel and found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also, hit that bell icon to get notified when I do new uploads on my channel. You can follow me on social media where I do more coverage on product review, tutorials, and videos that I'm currently working on. At the end, you will be able to see the latest and suggested videos that are recommended for you, so go check them out. Like always, thanks for watching, and I see you on my next video.